Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about oncogenes. Before we start, let's rewind what cell division is. Cell division is the process of making new cells and protein is the key in this process. Now, before we get into what an oncogene is, let's discuss what a proto-oncogene is. Let's think of proto-oncogene as the hero in this story. The proto-oncogene is responsible for creating the protein that are in charge of controlling cell division and growth in healthy cells. In summary, proto-oncogenes are healthy genes that help cell grow, thus making them the hero of the story. Now, what happens when a mutation or a change is made to a proto-oncogene itself? Well, when there are mutations to a proto-oncogene or if there's too many copies of it, it starts transitioning into a harmful gene. When a proto-oncogene becomes a bad gene, we can think of it as a villain of the story. The proto-oncogene transitions into an oncogene. The oncogene then becomes permanently activated. It stays on even when supposed to be turned off. The oncogene starts to become deregulated. The deregulated oncogene obtains the protein synthesis or the production of protein becomes uncontrolled or excessive. The excessive protein triggers cell growth and cell division. The cell growth becomes so fast that it outdoes the neighboring cells and tissues. We can think of this increase in speed of cell division as the oncogene gaining a superpower. When this happens, the cell starts to proliferate or divide uncontrollably, which leads to cancer. Let's go over another analogy to further strengthen our understanding. Let's consider our body to be a car and the oncogene to be a gas pedal. The main purpose of gas pedal is to ensure that an adequate amount of gas is being fed to an engine and to maintain the speed of the car. In a similar way, an oncogene helps the cell grow, divide, and make sure the speed of our body are met as in terms when you are injured or have a fever. However, in the case of cancer development, the oncogene malfunctions and the cell division out of control. Similar when the gas pedal is stuck and it may lead to an accident. It shows us that oncogenes play a key role in terms of cancer development, and most of the cancer-causing mutations involving oncogenes are acquired, not inherited. Now, let's take another look at some quick facts about oncogene. Did you know that oncogenes were discovered in certain retroviruses? In the mid-70s, two American microbiologists, John Michael Bishop and Harold Varmus, tested the theory that healthy cells have a certain amount of oncogenes in them and are dormant, and when triggered can cause cancer. Many leukemias and lymphomas are caused by translocations of proto-oncogenes. Amplification of proto-oncogenes are found in proteins that have breast cancer or neuroblastoma. Thank you for watching.